Australia's D32 Business Network marks formal launch in Ahmedabad. 19 January, D32 Business Network, a premium Australian business growth community for entrepreneurs, marked its official launch in Ahmedabad on Friday. Drawing a large gathering of the city business elite, the event highlighted the growing demand for high quality networking platforms and introduced local entrepreneurs to District 32. As the network is known internationally, which is now expanding its presence in India. D32 Business Network is more than a conventional networking group and instead operates as a structured, strategy driven system to help business owners gain more clients, streamline operations, and build strong professional relationships with a proven framework centered on accountability, shared success, and continuous learning. The network aims to strengthen Ahmedabad's entrepreneurial ecosystem by enabling faster collective growth. Speaking at the launch, Pritesh Thakkar and Rachit Ankleshwaria, Gujarat state partner of D32 Business Network, said the platform is designed to transform business networking for ambitious entrepreneurs. D32 creates an environment where business owners are surrounded by the right people, the right knowledge, and the right support. Many entrepreneurs often feel isolated in their journey, but through structured networking, real referrals, and genuine relationships, we help them move from being invisible in the market to truly in demand. Ahmedabad has a dynamic business culture, and D32 will act as a catalyst for smarter and more sustainable growth, Mr. Thakkar said. The event brought together prominent business leaders, founders, and decision makers from multiple sectors who were introduced to D32's operating works and its benefits. The network facilitates growth through curated events, masterminds, workshops, and targeted training sessions. Members gain access to a high caliber network of peers and potential clients and partners, along with tools and systems that support functions such as marketing, finance, people, and operations. The evening marked a promising beginning for D32 Business Network in Ahmedabad. Unlike traditional network forums, D32 emphasizes meaningful exchanges backed by trust and consistent engagement. Its non-misfits policy ensures a high-quality membership base, giving participants confidence that every interaction has the potential to add value. Participants also learned how D32's referral approach is rooted in genuine relationship building rather than transactional connections, resulting in more dependable business opportunities. With more than 5,000 participants global, D32 has built a strong record of helping entrepreneurs accelerate growth through shared expertise and structured support. The Ahmedabad chapter is set to follow the same model, offering a platform where business owners can leverage each other's time, experience, and networks to spur progress.
Thank you, Mr. Pritesh, for this wonderful event. It was an amazing experience here.
We have a lot of entrepreneurs from different industries gathered here today.
Pritesh Thakkar. I have been into networking for almost 10 years now, and recently we have brought a brand from Australia which is called D32. So this is an effort to bring an Australian way of doing business with Ahmedabad people. We are the first one to launch in India. There is a different model from all other networking. The good thing is there is no restriction of gender, there is no restriction of any caste, and we are quite flexible if you want to onboard as a member. So me and Rachit, we both are partners, and we are trying to bring a community which not only will help to grow your business, which will also help to do some more collaborations in your business, which will also help to do a personal enhancement in your business. So Rachit.
Hi, I'm Rachit Ankleshwaria. I just completed my masters in the UK and I came back a few months ago. and together with Pritesh we are bringing D32 Business Network, which is an Australian networking group. And my role in the whole thing is basically to just criticize Pritesh, because I bring a whole new perspective to networking, and since he is experienced, he has his own views, and I can challenge and oppose, and together we can bring in something new, something different for the entrepreneur community of Gujarat. Launched on the 12th of December, we had a launch event, and right now we are just forming the first circles. The unique thing I would say about D32 is that there are membership tiers. So there are you will be put in with businessmen of similar caliber, of similar interests, and you have a chance to upgrade your membership as you upgrade your business. And one more thing I would say that is most unique about this is we also do a trial membership, wherein you can get full access of the membership for 1 month, and then you can decide whether or not it works for you. स्टार्ट हुआ था, एंड पर्थ में लैटिट्यूड नंबर 32 पास होता है, तो उन लोग ने डिस्ट्रिक्ट 32 करके स्टार्ट किया था, एंड देन दे रीब्रांडेड टू D32. We have 2 people who are in the travel industry. We have a couple of astrologers. We have a car dealer, and what else?
We have few of the IT people. We also have someone from education industry, and we also have 3 or 4 manufacturers. It is annual. People will have to renew it every year. The annual membership fee for the Ignite is 20,000 rupees, and for the Impact it is 40,000 rupees. Plus we do charge hospitality fees, which is the meeting happens bi-weekly. So the hospitality fees each member needs to pay.
So who are your owners and how it started like?
For Ahmedabad, we both are owners as of now.
Right.
It was started by two beautiful people called Lauren and Dean. They are Scottish and they have started in Australia. It was started 10 years back. The filtration process is so good that even in 10 years, they have only allowed 1,000 people to join this network. So that shows that what kind of people they are trying to bring. Because if I want to start a networking, if I want to gather people just without purpose, then it's going to be, there is no use of it. So people will join on the faces of us, but then it's not going to be useful for the members who are joining. So we do have a due diligence process is going to be the very key factor in our membership. Is that when you are doing a business, it is a tendency that we do not get off our seat and we do not go out to promote our business. We just be seated in our shop or office and we wait for the customers. Now what happens is networking is a give and take policy. So now when you're going out, you're meeting 50 people every fortnight, you're meeting other 200 people every month over the online platform. It is going to work in a different way. So there are 200 people who are not going to be aware about your business through any sort of media. They would come to know about your business because you're going there personally, you're pitching them and you're showing that I've done this, and you're creating that trust. So our network will help them to build that trust among those 200, 500,000 people in the future. Our network will also shape them to align with the technology and updates going on in the world. So what happens is when you're doing a business, you feel too shy to go to the college and study something new. When you're doing a business, you feel too underwhelmed to go out and learn new courses. Now when you have an access of more than 100 trainings under your membership, which is a free training, so 100 free trainings including 32-week sales workshop from world's renowned coaches, that comes under your membership. So you will not get a better benefit more than this. Business after certain age, क्योंकि बच्चे एक सर्टन एज के हो जाए, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खत्म हो जाए, और उनका ऐसा होता है कि टाइम लिमिटेशन होता है, एक इन्वेस्टमेंट लिमिटेशन होता है और ग्रोथ लिमिटेशन होता है. तो यहाँ पे सर हमारा ऐसा है कि इग्नाइट मेंबरशिप से अगर वो लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं तो जस्ट इमेजिन कि आपके पास अगर 30 औरत या 40 औरत ऐसी ही बैठी है एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कि जहाँ पे सिर्फ वो लोग स्टार्टअप से है, सो दे वुड बी एबल टू हेल्प ईच अदर. और सपोज मेरे पास होम बेकर है जो आके एक इवेंट वाले के साथ बैठते हैं, एक टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल्स वाले के साथ बैठते हैं, एक कंपनीज के साथ बैठते हैं और एक बैंक्वेट वाले के साथ बैठते हैं. तो जस्ट इमेजिन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस दे वुड बी डूइंग. सो वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए तो सर ये सबसे बेस्ट है, बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो लिमिटेशन. बाकी सारे जितने भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं वो वुमेन स्पेसिफिक है. तो वुमेन स्पेसिफिक में बिजनेस देने का एक लिमिटेशन आ जाता है, और जब कोई देने वाला ही नहीं तो मिलेगा कहाँ से आपको बिजनेस. यहाँ पे ऐसे है कि देने वाले ज़्यादा है, तो women entrepreneurs are looking for business, they are seeking for business, so they would have the maximum amount of business.
So you discuss about the government policies and how the benefits are getting from government also.
Government policies, we do not have anything to do with government policies as of now.
Right.
And we are Australian organization. We are just bringing the platform here. So government policies से अभी हमारा कुछ benefit अभी तो मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है. In future, yes, if we make one good community and if government comes up with something for them, then yes, we can.
Steady growth and more referrals, then there is one category. If you are looking for partnership and collaboration, then there is another category, and so on. So if you are someone who wants to really grow your business, that is, and you are ready to commit some time for it separately outside, then that is the main criteria for it.
So up till now, how many members have been joined and how you have worked out?
As of now, we have 30 members, including the 2 categories that we have launched now, and we are hoping to launch our first circle soon.
सर कि अगर मुझे 100 लोगों को इकट्ठा करना है, उनको एक शेक में बिठाना है और 500 रुपये में उनको एक कुछ अपना बिजनेस प्रमोट करवाना है और नाश्ता करवाना है, तो वो कोई भी कर सकता है. दे आर नॉट रिसर्च बेस्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और दे आर नॉट एक्सपीरियंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ऑल्सो हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की एक लिमिट है. जैसे कोई एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तो उसकी मीटिंग सिर्फ सुबह में होती है, दूसरा है तो उसमें सिर्फ या पटेल या शाह या ब्राह्मण लोग ही ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, तीसरा है तो उसमें सिर्फ फीमेल्स ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे हमारे पास ऐसे कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है. दूसरा कि हर एक नेटवर्किंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आप 2 साल 3 साल 5 साल मेंबर रह चुके हैं, उसके बाद आपके पास देने के लिए लेने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, बिकॉज यू नो एवरीवन, यू नो द फॉर्मेट, यू नो द पीपल. यहाँ पे आपको एक अपग्रेडेशन करने का एक ऑप्शन है कि आपने इग्नाइट से स्टार्ट किया है तो यू गो फॉर एन इम्पैक्ट मेंबरशिप, जहाँ पे मीटिंग स्ट्रक्चर पूरा अलग है, लोग पूरे अलग है, काइंड ऑफ मेंबर्स पूरे अलग है. जैसे इग्नाइट में हमारे पास अगर स्टार्टअप्स है तो इम्पैक्ट में हमारे पास पूरे MNC ओनर्स है, पूरे HNIs है, पूरे जिससे ज़्यादा टर्नओवर है ऐसे लोग हैं, जिसके पास 50 से ज़्यादा एम्प्लॉय की साइज़ है ऐसे लोग हैं. अगर इम्पैक्ट से भी आगे जाते हैं तो 10 साल डाउन द लाइन दे कैन लुक अप फॉर एन इन्फ्लुएंस मेंबरशिप वी आर नॉट लॉन्चिंग एज इट नाउ, बट दैट इज गोइंग टू बी 1 person पर कैटेगरी इन एंटायर सिटी. सो सपोज इफ आई टेक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, सो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में पूरे अहमदाबाद में जो सबसे बेस्ट होगा दैट पर्सन कैन ओनली बिकम अ मेंबर इन इन्फ्लुएंस एवरी ईयर. So that also shows the kind of quality we are giving, that also shows the kind of benefits we are giving in our organization. India, we are the first one to bring in. We are the first one who are starting. And there cannot be a better city than Ahmedabad to bring in business networking from an overseas country. So we launched on 12th of December. We have around 30 members. We have around more than 20 guests joining today to understand what we are going to do and how we are going to function. And we are hoping to have at least 500 members by the end of 2026.
So why you have chosen Gujarat only? And what studies you must have done?
First of all, we are proud Gujarati, and there you would not find better business people in any other part of India than Gujarat. So Gujarat understands business, Gujarat understands networking, and हमारे यहाँ मैम ऐसा है कि नेटवर्किंग सालों से चलता है. पहले चाय की टपरी पे चलता था, फिर इस्कॉन घाटिया पे चलता था. अभी थोड़ा सा इट्स अ मॉडर्न वे ऑफ डूइंग नेटवर्किंग, वी आर कमिंग इन सूट वूट, वी आर मीटिंग इन 5-star hotels,
Right.
but people know networking, so we don't need to teach them what networking is, and that is why we chose Gujarat first.
New startups and how they are going to meet other people, the other business women or men.
This is not something, ma'am, where we will be pitching them that you come and become our members.
They willingly
This is
come.
something that they have to create an expression of interest. We will go there, meet them as a founder. We personally have met all 30 people here.
Okay.
So we will go them, we will meet them, we will see that what kind of business they are doing, and then they get a chance to become a member. There are many applications within a month we have rejected.
Okay.
Because we felt that they do not have anything to give as of now, they do not have anything to take from them.
Right.
So, my name is Rachit Anklasaria. I am an IT graduate. I recently finished my masters in the UK and came back a few months ago. And in December, I have started this venture with Pritesh Thakkar, who is my partner, and we are bringing in an Australian business community called D32 Business Network to Gujarat.
So why you have chosen Gujarat only, and why people will join your company?
So I chose Gujarat because once, like we already said, we are proud Gujaratis, and I feel the business market in Gujarat is the best to bring in a new organization from overseas and implement its practices.
So what are your future plans, and if one person is being joining your company, what benefit he will going to get?
So it depends on what the person wants from the organization, what the person is expecting. So if someone wants steady business growth, then we have a different kind of membership. If someone is looking for collaboration and partnership, then we have another kind of membership. And if someone is looking for very high level of exclusivity, then we have a third category of membership. These are Ignite, Impact and Influence respectively. The Ignite category is the one that is for startups and small businesses, who need that initial growth boost through referrals from known people. The Impact category is where businessmen of a certain level, who have a certain turnover, who have like maybe 30 to 50 employees under them, they can collaborate and form partnerships. And the Influence category is the most exclusive category that we have not launched as of now, but it's in the pipeline, wherein the top person from each industry will be the only member for that particular service.
So how it is going to be useful for the international people, and how they are going to get the orders from there?
So as of now, the thing that is quickest in the pipeline is going to be the online speed networking events that we are planning. Those are going to be one-on-one sessions with Australian or even other Indian businessmen who might not be directly connected to. And one more thing that those events, there are guidelines and there are specific ways in which you're supposed to talk, like for example keeping your contact information handy, deciding what you're going to pitch, because there's going to be a very short duration in which you can talk to the other person. And that way, if something clicks with that, with, for example, if you're saying for Australia, if something clicks, then that is a whole new level of growth that someone can potentially achieve.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
હાય, મારું નામ પ્રિતેશ ઠક્કર છે. હું D32 બિઝનેસ નેટવર્કને રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરું છું અમદાવાદમાં. આ એક ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયન નેટવર્ક છે કે જે અમદાવાદમાં અમે લાવી રહ્યા છીએ. અને આ નેટવર્કનો સૌથી મોટો ફાયદો એ છે કે ટીયર્ડ મેમ્બરશિપ છે. સો અહીંયા તમને 3 પ્રકારની મેમ્બરશિપ મળે છે: ઇગ્નાઇટ, ઇમ્પેક્ટ અને ઇન્ફ્લુઅન્સ. આ સાથે સાથે બીજો ફાયદો એ છે કે અમે ટ્રાય એન્ડ બાય ઓફર આપીએ છીએ કે જેનાથી તમે તમારી મેમ્બરશિપને 1 મહિના માટે ટ્રાયલ લઈ શકો છો અને પછી તમે ડિસાઇડ કરી શકો છો, જે આખા અમદાવાદમાં અત્યારે કોઈ નથી.
ખાસ કરીને તમારી પાસે શું સગવડો મળશે? ધારો કે કોઈ તમારે ત્યાં મેમ્બર થયું, તો હાઉ દે આર ગોઈંગ ટુ ઇટ વિલ બી હેલ્પફુલ ટુ ધેર બિઝનેસ ઇટસેલ્ફ.
સો બેઝિકલી સૌથી મોટી વસ્તુ એ છે કે એઝ અ બિઝનેસ પીપલ આપણને ખુદને ટ્રેન કરવાનો ટાઈમ નથી મળતો. તો અમારી પાસે 100થી વધારે ટ્રેનિંગ એક્સેસ છે કે જે વર્ચ્યુઅલ ટ્રેનિંગ એક્સેસ છે. અગર એની તમે ટોટલ કોસ્ટ અગર બહારથી પરચેસ કરવા જાઓ છો તો દેટ કમ્સ ટુ મોર દેન $1,200. એટલે ₹1,00,000થી વધારેની જે ટ્રેનિંગ્સ છે એ આપણી મેમ્બરશિપમાં ઇન્ક્લુડેડ છે. એ સાથે તમને અમદાવાદના અલગ અલગ એરિયાના બિઝનેસમેન, અલગ અલગ કેટેગરીના બિઝનેસમેન સાથે મળવા મળે છે અને ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયન બિઝનેસમેનની આખી તમને ડિરેક્ટ ટ્રેનિંગ એક્સેસ મળે છે.
તમારા ફ્યુચર પ્લાન શું હશે?
ફ્યુચર પ્લાન જેવી રીતે મેં આગળ પણ જણાવ્યું રીતે કે D32 છે, ઇટ શુડ વર્ક લાઈક અ બિઝનેસ કાર્ડ ફોર યુ, કે દરેક માણસની પાસે જે રીતે વિઝિટિંગ કાર્ડ હોય એ રીતે D32ની મેમ્બરશિપ.
ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.